Children, once again, I've brought you a beautiful story. This time, it's called The Ghost Boat. Let's see what happens until the very end. There once was a beautiful village. What made this village so lovely was the river that flowed beside it. The villagers were kind and simple folk. Most of them made their living by fishing. But one night, something strange came floating down the river. The villagers were shocked. It was a small boat. No one saw who was in it. Strange sounds echoed from it.
Whoa. What is that? There are lights too.
That sound? It makes me feel scared. It's like a ghost boat.
Ghost? Yes, it's a ghost boat. Oh my God, let's run!
The frightened fishermen told everyone in the village what they had seen. A strange boat drifting through the night, making eerie sounds. Fear spread through the village like wildfire.
Oh no, what's happening to us? I'm afraid.
We should be careful. No one should go near the river at night. Give the message, everyone in the village, right? And be back from fishing before dark.
Several days a week, this strange ghost boat travels up and down the river. The fearless youth of the village chased after this boat, but they could never catch it. It was suddenly disappeared.
What? Oh, where did it go? It disappeared.
And from that day on, everyone in the village called it the ghost boat. Why? Because they believed it was being driven by ghosts.
Did you hear? It's already evening. You should head home too. Quickly gather those fish baskets and be on your way.
Because of this ghost boat, we can't even earn a living anymore. We can't even run a proper business. Everyone else already left, didn't they? I better get going quick.
Afraid of the ghost boat, all the fishermen began heading home before nightfall. No one dared to go near the river after dark. And just like that, time passed, and the ghost boat kept drifting up and down the river, night after night.
Kiddo, run fast. If Gamarala catches us, we're done for.
Yep, we're done. We picked the 2 best mangoes from the tree.
These 2 mischievous boys, Tikiri and Pada, are well-known troublemakers in the village.
Tico? Tico, I can't go to school today. I didn't even finish my homework. Today, I'm definitely going to get a beating.
Oh no, you didn't do your homework again today? I even showed you my book yesterday.
You did? Yeah, that's exactly why I got into trouble.
Oh.
I really don't want to get a beating today either.
Oh, you little Kiddo. What can I even do if you can't copy it properly after seeing it? I'm going to just do whatever you want.
Come on, Tico. Please wait. Look, let's go to the river, huh? We haven't been there in so long. We'll swim, pluck some juicy mangoes, and get back before school close time.
Straight to the river? That's a brilliant idea. But what if the fishermen see us? They'll know we skipped school.
Let's sneak past the usual fishing spots and go a bit further. Toward the forest side. No one ever goes there, right?
Okay, let's go.
And so, the two friends dashed off toward the riverbank, skipping school yet
Are
again.
you really sure no one comes there? If someone sees us, we're done for.
No one ever comes here. I'm really sure about that. Don't panic, Tico. How's the place? Isn't it awesome? No one ever comes here. We can play as much as we want. Hey, let's catch some fish too. Tico, there's a mango tree over there. Let's go, pick some mangoes.
It's in the forest over there.
No, it's not that far. Come on and follow me.
Oh,
Haha. Told you. Look at those mangoes.
oh. Those mangoes look amazing. Pato, they're all ripe. Let's pick them now. Quick, go find a stick.
Oh. This isn't working. I'm tired of looking for sticks. You big show off. Can't even hit one mango. Fine, I'll go over there myself. Ha, 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 ah, ah! Oh, into the forest it is. I'll go find one myself. Tico!
Ah! Pato! Pato, what is it? Oh, what is this?
At that moment, the two friends saw a big boat.
Tico, this boat is awesome. It's nothing like our old fishing boats. Whoa, look at this!
There's even a little room inside, isn't there? Come on, let's check it out. Aren't these old grain bags? Looks like a cargo boat must have come along the river.
Tico, shouldn't we tell the village about this boat? Shall we go? Tell them right now?
Can't say right now. If they find out we skipped school, we're done. We'll come back in the evening and then tell them we saw it.
Yeah, that's correct.
It's almost noon now, isn't it? Let's go now. School must be about to close.
Born alone, die alone. Why
Who's
dance
that?
Like Born alone, die alone. Why dance like a clown in this old hut? Oh, la la la. Oh, la. Two.
That's yet to say. Ah,
Oh no, we're in trouble. What do we do now? Oh, he's fishing here, isn't he?
he's not leaving anytime soon. Here, let's hide inside until he's gone.
Right, ha. Come on, my little ones, come. Shouthu Uncle's got some bait for you. Come have a bite. Ha. Oh,
Oh no, we're in real trouble. Looks like he's not going anywhere now.
Let's wait here a little longer.
The two friends stayed inside the boat, watching as Siathu Sia continued fishing. They watched for so long without even realizing it. Ooh, they fell asleep.
Oh, what is this? Oh no! Is the boat moving? Oh, it's night. Oh no, we fell asleep. Oh, what do we do now?
Yes, it is.
Someone's talking.
Now we should care full.
Oh no, what's happening? I have to go. Sneak over and take a look.
What are items there? No. I grabbed it all, buddy.
Oh, someone's here. Ah, no.
Takiri realized that a group of people was steering the boat he was in.
This time, why, we got our hands on some really, really good loot.
The Mutalali's box was full of gold. I took everything. Ha ha ha!
There, we're passing near the village now. Set off the siren.
All right, I'll set it off. Everyone, duck down.
Ah, now I get it. This is the ghost boat. Ah, there's no ghost in this. It's a bunch of low-life thieves. Ah, Pada is still sleeping. What should I do now? If he wakes up, he'll panic. I have to gently wake him up. Hey, Poto. Poto.
Oh, ooh.
Don't make noise. Shh.
Oh, ooh.
Stay calm. We're inside the ghost boat.
Oh, same boat. Oh, go.
No, shh. Don't panic, please. There's no ghost in this boat. This boat is full of thieves. All this time, they've been fooling the villagers and going out night after night to steal. These guys are hiding the boat from where we were and taking the stolen goods away. Because of these sacks and the darkness, they didn't see us. So don't panic. Get up calmly. Let's hide here. Just watch.
The two friends, who had catched the secret of the ghost boat, stayed inside the boat, watching to see what would happen next.
We're nearing the place. Slow down the boat's speed.
Hey, it looks like we're nearing the place where we were. Let's hide here a little longer.
Make sure that boat's tied tight. Cover it with leaves and branches. Let's grab the loot and get out before we're seen. Don't forget, we've got to head to the other village tomorrow evening.
Hey, looks like everyone's gone. Should we get down?
Yeah, looks like everything's gone. Let's go now. Huff! Go! Go! Move quickly. They might be looking for us.
Kids! Kids! Where are you?
Meanwhile, the villagers are out searching for the two friends.
Oh dear God, kids! Where have you been? Ha! The whole village is in chaos.
Your parents are over there, all panicked. What the heck happened, man?
Uncle, we both got into big trouble. There is a boat
The two friends explained everything that had happened to the villagers.
A gang of thieves? Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
The villagers who heard the story were shocked. They realized they weren't being haunted by ghosts, but rather they had been tricked by thieves.
There is no ghost boat.
The next day, the villagers gathered. They had been misled into thinking they were haunted by ghosts for so long And now they were planning a strategy to catch the real thieves. That night, a few villagers hid near the boat, waiting for the thieves to arrive.
Hey, quick, hurry up. It's too late now. Hey, get those sacks ready.
Okay. I have already prepared it.
Stop right there, you thieves! Oh,
Oh no! We got caught! No, please don't do anything to us!
look, that person is running. Go catch him.
No. Huh. All right. Now stop. It is over.
Villagers gathered together, caught the thieves, and handed them over to the police.
It was because of these kids that we were able to catch the thieves. Otherwise, we would still be scared. Now, we can fish until night without fear.
Everyone gathered together and thanked our little heroes. From that day onwards, the villagers lived happily, catching fish as usual.
Looks like there aren't many fish today. Let's try with a little bait. What's this? Saw it today. Let's see. God!